Today we're talking about simple things to include in a creative journal. So these are just some simple, easy things that I add to almost every journal page, and you can do them too to add your own unique personality. First thing is to add your own personal ephemera. So ephemera is things that are used for a short period of time. They can be like movie tickets or receipts or grocery lists or food wrappers, but they're things that are usually thrown away after we use them. But instead, when we put them in our journal, we are able to keep them and use them as mementos and records of our everyday moments. They make our journals more unique and more interesting. In the same category of ephemera is your own personal photographs. They add so much to a journal and become even more special as time passes. Next is interaction. So interaction in your journal is just a great way to force you to connect with the pages through physical touch. So by folding or flipping things out, tucking things in, spinning things around, layering papers, it just makes it fun to discover the stories within the pages. You can pick and choose what you want to be more hidden away. The third thing is journaling. This is an obvious one, but it's so important. Even if you don't like your handwriting, it's important to include bits here and there. You don't always have to write a lot. You can just annotate or label until you get more comfortable or more confident, but your handwriting is really a part of you, and what you write and how you feel and think is important and unique to you. Last of all is decoration, and I like to use vintage papers in my journals as it's what I feel most drawn to. I also like to use stickers and washi tape, but you can draw, paint, collage, use miscellaneous images, typography, stamping, mixed media, you name it. How you decorate your journal is unlimited and ever-changing, and it's another way to add your own personality, your personal tastes, preferences, and any sort of symbols or symbolic things into your journal. So even if we all do these exact same things, all of our journals are still going to be extremely different to each other. And a creative journal is just a really good visual portrayal of our hearts, our minds, and our lives. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.